Listen carefully. What I'm about to tell you is not motivation. It's not inspiration. It's not tips and tricks bullshit. This is the single most powerful habit that separates the world's most successful people from everyone else who spends their life watching, wishing, and crying. If you master this habit, you become unstoppable, untouchable, on a different level. And if you ignore it, you will stay exactly where you are, average, invisible, replaceable. So pay attention. The habit. Finish what you start. Not trying, not planning, not dreaming, not talking. Finishing. Execution until completion. Because weak people start 100 things and finish nothing. Strong people start one thing and finish it even if it destroys them. Look at your life right now. How many things have you started and abandoned? Gym, reading, side business, learning a skill, morning routine, your goals. How many corpses are buried under your inconsistency? Every unfinished task is proof of your weakness. Every unfinished task is a graveyard of potential. Every unfinished task is a message to the world. I cannot be trusted with success. That's why life doesn't reward you. Not because you're unlucky, because you don't finish. The brutal truth, anyone can start. Starting is easy. That's why everyone does it. But finishing? That takes discipline. That takes obsession. That takes hunger. That takes pain tolerance. And most people avoid pain more than they want success. That's why the world is full of failures. The world is watching you. The universe gives power only to one type of person. Someone who finishes. When you finish what you start, confidence skyrockets, respect increases, discipline multiplies, identity transforms, momentum explodes. Success is not built by talent. Success is built by completion. Winners don't quit because they don't care about comfort. Losers quit because comfort is their god. So ask yourself, what do you worship, comfort or greatness? Execution. Protocol. Untouchable habit. Blueprint. Starting today, you follow a new rule, the zero quit rule. Once you commit to something, you finish it. No matter how tired, no matter how bored, no matter what excuse your brain invents. Feel like quitting? Good. That's when the transformation starts. The pain is the entrance fee for greatness. The one-goal system. Every day, choose one critical task that pushes your life forward. Just one. And finish it no matter what. You complete your one mission before your head touches the pillow. No negotiation. No delay. No escape. The commitment contract. Say it out loud every morning. If I start it, I finish it. I am not average. I complete what I begin. I am unstoppable. If you repeat this for 30 days, your brain rewires itself into a finisher. Not a thinker, not a dreamer, not a planner. A finisher. That is what makes you untouchable. Regret warning. Imagine yourself 10 years from now looking back at your life. Will you say, I gave everything, I finished everything, I became great? Or will you say, I wasted time, I quit, I stayed the same, I failed myself? Which one scares you more? Because regret is the most painful punishment on earth, and you are walking straight towards it if you don't change. Identity. Upgrade. From today, you don't start 20 things. You start one thing, and you finish that one thing with blood in your teeth. You become the person people fear to compete with because they know you will not break. You become the person success chases because success respects discipline. You become Untouchable. Final command. Right now. Write down one thing you will finish this week. Not try, not attempt. Finish. And then execute like a machine. Like a damn soldier. Like a CEO running a billion-dollar empire. No more quitting, no more excuses, no more weak identity. Finish or die. That's the new standard. Winners finish, losers quit. Choose your category. This is episode 5. Welcome to the era of unbeatable discipline.